This is a quick unboxing of a Lenovo X1 Carbon Gen 12. Part of the power adapter. USB-C power adapter. It's a 65 watt. Papers. Okay. Go over the ports. So it's got the power button there, combo audio port, full-size USB 3, HDMI, full-size Kensington lock slot. Nothing on the back. Another full-size USB-A. And then two USB-C here, both with Thunderbolt. On the bottom, there's a reset hole up there, and that's it. This option didn't have a SIM slot. Some of the other ones do. Okay, fingerprint reader is here. And just the mic and webcam privacy switch at the top. And the webcam, and that is really it. No other notable changes, I don't think. Maybe these two got switched around. And that's it.